My name is Mark Smith. Right now I'm working as the custom shop exotic wood specialist, and I've been here for 25 years. 26 years if you're counting part-time. What size Birdseye did you want to do?
I'm thinking single O and double O.
Oh, that's awesome. Here are the ones that are just...
Oh, yeah. So what I'm thinking is a really cool little small bodies, real authentic looking, maybe an authentic looking finish. We're going to do that stamp in the back. You know, remember the we did it on one a while back.
What kind of binding? Madagascar?
Something, Madagascar. And same with the head plate. Yep.
Madagascar looks so elegant with us, especially if you do a maple neck with a Madagascar stripe. I didn't know if you were going maple neck or mahogany neck.
Probably maple.
I'll tell you, it's the package. It really makes it. And if you do a bound headstock, it's got to be square corners. So again, Ed schooled me on these, and he did some with a torch headstock on it, just like that. 0014 fret Madagascar binding.
Yep.
I forget what kind of top we used. I think he insisted on Engelmann because it was a small body.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, look at this one.
Ooh.
So yeah,
done.
I saved that one for you. If you wanted to do something really cool, this is the one.
That's
the candy.
That's a keeper right there.
Let me put a little naphtha on it so maybe be a little bit more visible.
Whoa.
Do you want to look at Madagascar right now? You can.
Sure. I could look
set you up over here.
Yeah.
Chad, tell me what's going on. We're down here in the wood room at Martin Guitar and picking out some really nice stuff.
Yeah.
What do you have in mind, and what are you looking at?
Well, I've got two customers that are looking for some nice Madagascar rosewood pieces. So I told them I'm going to be here this week, and told them I might pick out something nice for them.
Any particular body size or shape?
They're both OM, so they're triple O body size.
Oh, great.
Yes, actually, one is looking for some good straight grain for one, and the other one a bit more figure, which is nice, so they won't be fighting over the same piece. So yeah, I kind of have a bit of a parameter in mind, so thought I would find a couple of pieces that would work and send them some photos today and see what they like.
Awesome. Mark here just hooked us up, and we are going to look through this Birdseye maple stack. What we're doing is a run, small body, Birdseye maple. We haven't quite finished the design yet, but it's going to be really cool, authentic. We're doing a 0014. We are going to do a triple O 12 fret. What do we got here? 0012 fret. Size 5, that's the Churs style. Really cool guitar, little small guy. And we're gonna do a single O 12 fret and a single O 14 fret, all in Birdseye maple. So we're gonna go through this stack and get them all designed up, and 8 months from now, we'll have some really cool guitars. We built what, 9 customs?
10 or 11.
10 customs. You'll have to check them out. We're going to show pictures of them soon. What a great day. Incredible people here at the factory. There is just so much history here. It is a great tour.
Yeah, it was a great day.
Got to come visit. Thanks for watching.